Hi guys, today we will make a simple LED Christmas tree on the remote control. Let's get started. The base will be a CD disk. To connect the axis to the base, I printed on a 3D printer such a detail with a hole. You can use the cork from the bottle. The bamboo stick will be the axis. Glue the holder to the disk and insert the axle. Of the same sticks make the frame. Fasten them with hot melt glue. By the way, a great thermal gun. Glue on the table does not drip. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Take the foil and wrap the Christmas tree. Take the LED strip and wind the spiral. Glue the tinsel on the hot glue. I took a cardboard sleeve and pasted an aluminum tape on it and glued it to the base of the Christmas tree. Cut a piece and make a cone. Trim and cut. Now make a star. Take thin cardboard. I found a star pattern and circled it. Whoa, magic cutting! Paste the tape on both sides. Connect the cone with the star using triangles. Fasten the star on the Christmas tree with hot glue. To control the LED strip, I will use this controller. The review is on the channel. To see, click on the tip at the top right. Connect the wires with the help of terminals of Bago. It is convenient to use this connector for power supply. Links to all live in the description. And now the testing tree. There are 8 modes and changing the speed of flicker. Just don't use low brightness mode. In this mode the tape flickers and it is very harmful to the eyes. In general, the tree turned out beautiful. Take care of forest trees. Let them grow. Perhaps this is all. I congratulate everyone on the upcoming holidays. Good luck. Bye.